banning single-use plastics is now the Chinese city of Shanghai. From today, food and beverage outlets, as well as hotels, will no longer be allowed to offer such plastics by default.
It's part of the Chinese government's efforts to deal with a massive waste problem. Also kicking in today is a compulsory waste sorting scheme. Residents in Shanghai will have to sort out their trash or face a fine. But as Lynette Lim reports, there could be teething problems.
Wang Suing has been working as an RE or cleaning lady in Shanghai for the last 10 years. She currently works for 9 households.
是饭盒呀和吃过的剩的饭和他们家里养猫的那些大便呀什么统一的放在垃圾桶里。如果让我去等我看到的时候再去分类的话，我就感觉很不能接受，很脏。
The new rules are expected to add to Ms. Wang's workload, as she now needs to sort trash into 2 main categories: household food waste such as food scraps and residual waste like plastic bags. And then there are 2 other less common categories: hazardous waste and recyclable waste.
Waste sorting would be more efficient if it could be done from home with 3 or 4 different rubbish bins. But the problem is that in Shanghai, it's an entrenched habit for residents to only have 1 bin with all the rubbish mixed in. This puts the burden disproportionately on REs or cleaning ladies, who then have to sort the rubbish out by hand at rubbish points like these.
The central government sees waste sorting as one way of tackling China's massive waste management and pollution problems. And Shanghai is taking the matter very seriously. From July 1st, companies who flout the new rules can be fined up to 500,000 yuan or $70,000, while individual offenders face a maximum fine of 200 yuan or $29. And in some estates, there are garbage vigilantes, retirees who police the rubbish disposal points. This is because the call for waste sorting comes right from the very top.